Discover 10 must-visit tourist spots in Spain. 1. La Sagrada Familia, Barcelona, a masterpiece of Antoni Gaudí. La Sagrada Familia is an awe-inspiring basilica with intricate facades, towering spires, and a mix of Gothic and Art Nouveau architectural styles. Construction began in 1882 and continues today, making it a living project of Gaudí's vision. The interior's organic design and stunning stained glass windows flood the basilica with multicolored light, making it a magical experience. Visitors are captivated by its beauty, history, and spiritual significance, a must-see for architecture lovers and anyone fascinated by Gaudí's genius. 2. Alhambra, Granada, a grand testament to Spain's Moorish history. The Alhambra is a palace fortress set against the backdrop of the Sierra Nevada mountains. Built by the Nasrid emirs in the 13th and 14th centuries, this UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts beautiful Islamic art, intricately carved walls, serene courtyards, and tranquil reflecting pools. The lush Generalife gardens offer an oasis of beauty. Alhambra is one of Spain's most iconic landmarks and a testament to the cultural fusion that defines its history. 3. Parc Güell, Barcelona, also designed by Antoni Gaudí. Parc Güell is a whimsical public park adorned with colorful mosaics, winding pathways, and organic forms inspired by nature. Originally conceived as a housing development, it became one of the most beloved outdoor spaces in Barcelona. Its famous serpentine bench and the iconic lizard sculpture known as El Drac attract visitors from all over the world. The park's unique architecture blends seamlessly with the natural environment, offering panoramic views of the city. 4. Plaza Mayor, Madrid, the heart of Madrid's historic quarter. The Plaza Mayor has been a center of public life since the early 17th century. With its uniform three-story buildings and stately arcades, this grand square is a stunning example of Spanish Habsburg architecture. Once the site of royal events, bullfights, and public markets, it's now a bustling gathering spot for locals and tourists alike. The plaza's lively cafes and historical significance make it a perfect starting point to explore Madrid's rich cultural heritage. 5. Mezquita Catedral de Córdoba. The Mezquita Cathedral, or Mosque Cathedral of Córdoba, is one of the most impressive examples of Islamic architecture in Spain. Reflecting the city's past under Umayyad rule, built in the 8th century, its massive hall of 856 columns and red and white striped arches is mesmerizing. After the Reconquista, a Christian cathedral was built in the center, blending Moorish and Gothic styles. This fusion of religious and architectural traditions makes it a stunning and unique site, symbolizing Spain's complex history. 6. Ibiza Beaches. Ibiza, part of Spain's Balearic Islands, is world-renowned for its crystal-clear waters, sandy beaches, and vibrant nightlife. Popular beaches like Cala Comte, Playa d'en Bossa, and Cala Busser offer stunning views of the Mediterranean Sea in a range of beachside activities. While Ibiza is famous for its party culture, it also offers peaceful retreats in secluded coves and charming old towns with cobblestone streets, making it perfect for both relaxation and adventure. 7. La Rambla, Barcelona, a bustling tree-lined street that stretches through the heart of Barcelona. La Rambla is a lively promenade filled with street performers, cafes, and shops. It connects Plaça de Catalunya with Portugal, making it a central point for tourists to explore Barcelona's historic and cultural attractions. At night, La Rambla comes alive with entertainment and dining, offering visitors a glimpse of the city's energetic spirit. Must-see spots along La Rambla include the Boqueria Market and Liceu Theatre. 8. Santiago de Compostela Cathedral. The Santiago de Compostela Cathedral in Galicia marks the endpoint of the Camino de Santiago, a medieval pilgrimage route, constructed between 1075 and 1211. It combines Romanesque, Gothic, and Baroque architectural styles, with its ornate facade and towering spires being truly remarkable. Legend has it that the cathedral houses the remains of Saint James the Apostle, making it one of the most important pilgrimage destinations in the world. Its historical significance and spiritual ambience make it a must-visit for anyone interested in Europe's religious history. 9. Royal Palace of Madrid. The Royal Palace of Madrid, the official residence of the Spanish royal family, is the largest functioning palace in Europe. Built in the 18th century, this opulent palace boasts over 3,000 rooms decorated with stunning Baroque and neoclassical elements. Visitors can explore the royal armory, grand staircases, and beautifully preserved historical rooms. The palace's grandeur and its collection of art and historical artifacts make it an essential stop for history and architecture lovers. 10. Guggenheim Museum, Bilbao, a masterpiece of contemporary architecture. The Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao is as famous for its titanium-clad structure as it is for its modern art collection. Designed by Frank Gehry and inaugurated in 1997, The museum is a prime example of deconstructivism. The building's undulating, ship-like design reflects Bilbao's industrial history. Inside, visitors can explore an impressive array of modern and contemporary art from artists like Jeff Koons, Yves Klein, and Richard Serra. This museum has helped transform Bilbao into a cultural hub, and its striking design makes it a must-visit for art and architecture enthusiasts. Thank you for watching. Please like it and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for more interesting content.